Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm trying something new today. So I've been working on fixing up this old TV of mine. It had, the HDMI doesn't work and it had stopped working altogether for a period. I got this adapter so it's the HDMI port. It's pretty messed up. And so I had an HDMI to component adapter that I was using for the longest time. And then eventually that stopped working. So I took the TV apart, cleaned it out, looked at everything, decided I'm going to try to replace the main board. And it's my first time doing something like this, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, my goal is if I can get the HDMI port to work, I would love to use this as a third monitor. Because I have two monitors right now. And I would love a third monitor just so I can watch videos, because I like watching videos while I work. Didn't unscrew it enough. Yeah, I originally got the idea to take this TV apart because I got a 65-inch Samsung Curve TV from my sister, and it had a vertical line in the screen. So I was looking up different ways to fix that. And after I took that apart, I was like, you know what? I might be able to do this with my smaller TV too. And thus this is what led to this. Three screws. I was in some of the videos, like depending on the brand and stuff, some of the TVs had a bunch of different screws. This was the toughest part last time, was separating the back from the front. There we go. Yeah, the first time I took it apart so that I could clean it, I had missed a screw. And luckily, I didn't break it. And then the second time I took it apart, it kept clicking back into place before I could get the rest of the back off. Granted, I don't do this often, so I don't have the correct tools. One of the videos I watched, they had this special, like, mini crowbar looking thing that they were able to very easily pop the back of a TV off with. There we go. Alright, so actually it's going to either go this way because of how my desk is. Yeah, because the piece that's connected right there, I'm unable to disconnect. Yeah, this TV's seen quite a fair bit of use. Oh, this one actually has speakers too. So I'll have to replace my speakers as well then. Alright, so separate all the wires. There we go. There's that. Alright. Yeah. So I'm going to first take a picture of mine, to then take a picture of this. I'm going to take a picture of the old HDMI compared to the new one, just to show everyone what we're dealing with. Okay, that one's in the finish. Also double checking that's the correct part number. Because it said it was the correct part number. Alright, so I really have to do it upside down. But because of my desk space, I kind of need to. Alright. So I could always for now actually just disconnect these. Disconnect the main board from the power supply. Yeah, I'll do that first. That's really stuck in there. Okay. Let's try these first. But then I could always. There we go. There's that. Jeez. Really stuck in there. Miss Netflix! Buddy! Miss Netflix, are you okay? Where'd you go? He ran away to you. Oh, was that Loki? I'll have to, when I edit the video, I'll try to figure out which cat it was. But whichever one it was, they fell. They're so stuck. There we go. Let's try this one again. Alright, that one I might have an easier time pulling out from here. I should have got more of this tape, but really bad thing about. I love my cats, but they get in the way sometimes. There you go. Alrighty. I think that's all the cords that are coming in. So I should get the other screwdriver that I was using. I'm wondering if something's missing from here, because there seems to be more things plugged into that main board than there was in this main board. Okay. Alright, so that main board. Oh yeah, this middle piece looks a little fried as well. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and put this one in. This is the new one. Whoops. There we go. And there we go. Oops. Trying to be very careful because I'm not sure. I don't want to damage anything. I don't know if I want to replace the speakers and all that, because that was all working. It was just the HDMI that wasn't. So I might disconnect the speakers from this main board and keep my old speakers, and then just keep these as parts in case, you know? Well, we'll see. I also feel like this piece that was supposed to be holding up this corner isn't doing a very good job. Yeah, I think this corner piece is wrong. But this is the one that came with the TV. Yeah. Oh, nothing I can do about that. I'd have to like somehow purchase a new bracket piece. I don't know what it's called. Come on, in you go. Alright, so these pieces are. Alright, so this would be the equivalent of this one. Alright, so we're gonna take this one out and plug this one in. Should cut my nails. Keep bending. Obviously, it might be easier to. You're not supposed to use tools in this part though. You're supposed to be able to just pop right out. Yeah, according to the videos I watched, this is supposed to pop right out. Let me clip my nail first. One sec. Just my one nail. It's bending. There we go. Let's see if that helps. Alright, so the easier thing is to just replace everything else. So we're gonna do that. Because this just slides right out, it looks like. this slides out too. So this is the old one. Oops. Yeah, so this is the old one. We'll plug these in first, and then we'll. Alright, so this one plugs into here. The reason I wanted to avoid this though is because I know everything else on this TV works, so I didn't want to risk. I'll actually wait to plug that one back in, because this makes it easier. I can just completely move this. Alrighty. So yeah, that goes in that slot. Alright. This. Alright. So this one. Alright. This one goes here. And that one goes to that side. So let me unscrew all speakers. One thing I like about this TV though, that the other TV didn't have, this has little plastic clips where you can push the wires into to hold it into place. So that's pretty nice. Alright. Yeah. See? I think this goes into there. But first things first, I want to do the speakers. There's... Oh! Okay. Okay. That's pretty neat. Those speakers are connected to the same wire. So, do that through that plastic thing. And then I can do this. And I can screw it back in. Hold on. Yeah, I'm putting that in the wrong spot. I was like, why is it not fitting? Alrighty, that's one speaker down. And also, I thought I had to undo 2 screws, but I actually just got to undo 1 screw. So, there's my tape. Alright, so the 2 speakers are out of the way. And then this one. Yeah, goes right there. And then I need to grab that screw I got. There we go. Okay. Oh, magnetic, stretchy, Nintendo magnet. But I don't want to get magnets here from all this stuff. Alright, there's that. And then this flips right here. Alright. And then this flips in here. Kind of cool. Okay, which one can I get out? Alrighty. You guys are much cleaner. There we go. I had to cut on the wires and the plastic, which makes me a little uncomfortable. There we go. Put it in place. Alright. Now I got to attach the power buttons, which was this. Not just puts in place, it looks like. Oops. Alright, there we go. Oops, almost dropped that. And make sure it clips into place. Alrighty, let me grab the power cord so that we can test this bad boy. Because the last thing I want is to hang it back up and then it's still not working. Alright. This is the Roku, which we're going to use to test that the HDMI and everything works again. And this is the power cord. Test that. So it's tilted so that. Right. I might still have to move. I might have to move the camera. Alrighty, let me grab the remote so that we can test it. Tilt this a little bit more. Turn it on. And let's see. Please work. My fingers are crossed. Yes! Yes, it's working! Oh, that makes me so happy. Oh, that makes me so happy. Yeah. Alright, yeah. So, I'll put the links to the videos I watched on how to do this in the description. I hope you all enjoyed. Until next time, bye-bye!